Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video poster presentation of our group Cornerstone project. I am from group 4, consists of two members, FARHAN bin NAZZARI and myself Shahidul Islam. Our project is basically regarding about floating wind turbine platform. In general, the goal of this project is to propose a design for a wind turbine floating platform structure for the remote Malaysian island Pulau Aur. For the abstract, our group has been tasked with the creation of a design idea for a floating platform construction that incorporates wind turbines and is capable of performing the function for which it was intended. Our group is tasked with formulating the needs in accordance with the criteria listed below. The major purpose of this undertaking is to provide an in-depth analysis of the steps involved in this assembly of a floating platform. In order to finish this assignment, we are utilizing a wide array of approaches. For the introduction, the purpose of this cooperative project is to create a wind turbine floating platform for the island of Pulau Aur in Malaysia, with the intention of turning it into a tourist destination. It is challenging to maintain a steady supply of electricity on this island because of its position. Continuous power can be provided to the island using a floating wind turbine. Installation of a wind turbine at a certain height above ground is required by the design in order to guarantee a continual supply of electricity and exposure to the wind. For the methodology, the major purpose of this undertaking is to provide an in-depth analysis of the steps involved in the assembly of a floating platform. During the first week of the TLP wind turbine design process, the members of our team were tasked with the creation of a free body diagram schematic. The primary calculation and analysis, in addition to the preliminary design of the structural components, are finished during the second week and third week of this project. The next week, we conduct a strength assessment of the various structural components, after which we write up a final report and display a poster. For the result, the safety factor and the strength of a structure both determined by the strength assessment. The strength of the structure is affected both by internal and external forces. The selection of material guarantees that the wind turbine is neither sink or fall apart. Initially, by conducting a study on the strength of wind turbine, in which the response force is composed the wind force, the weight of the turbine, and the pontoon segment. The first result that pontoon draft calculation produced is 15 meters, which is greater than his real height. The analysis suggests that the pontoon should be raised in order to get 6-meter draft. It is possible that we are mistaken about some of the data, but we think it's improvable. Error introduced by humans in the calculation are yet another possibility. To conclude this presentation, for the purpose of generating electricity, this project requires wind turbines. Structural analysis, analytical methods, and free body diagrams are utilized to guarantee the integrity and the safety of wind turbines. The analysis substantiates the proposed functions of the structure. Analysis is a crucial part of structural engineering. Through working together as a team, gaining new knowledge, and completing the project, we will strengthen our ability to communicate and lead. Engineers and designers need to keep both efficiency and the safety in mind when working on a project in order to ensure its success. For the acknowledgement, Dr. Nick Mohammad Rizwan, who instructed us in SEMO2123 and gave us the opportunity to work on this project, not only helped us to understand more about our course, but also assist us in performing extensive research and researching it in depth. We would like to express to him our deepest gratitude and thanks for everything that he has done for us. When we are done with this project, we are really confident that it will prove to be beneficial to us when we take the test that comes at the conclusion of the semester. Thank you.